everyone, this is Mohit and welcome back to Engineers Tech Up channel. So I'm going to again make the video on the Bangalore job seeker. I know guys you are struggling much. I know your pain, but you should not give up, right? So many people are searching the job without without proper direction and without proper skill. So you are wasting your time. Okay. So first of all, you having the proper guidance, you having the proper skill, then you will struggle. Definitely, you will get the job 100%. If you don't have a proper skill, right, then what will happen? You will get frustrated, and you will get frustrated, and you will go back home. Right, so I already made the many videos on the Bangalore job seeker. One playlist is there in my channel. So first of all, try to understand. If you will do hurry worry, you will only waste your time. Many people are pinged on me. Some people called me also. I'm not getting the job. But you should ask the question. You should find the problem why you are not getting the job. What is the reason? Right, so whatever you have learned in your college life, that will not helpful for your real time industry, because industry is looking for a skilled people. You don't have a proper skilled, you have wasted your 4 year, and you are not able to, you don't have a patience to develop the skill. You have to spend the time, guys. If you will complete your btech and you went to Bangalore, you will not get the job. Okay, you will not get the job 100% if you don't have a proper skill set. Some of the people having the very good programming language, definitely they will get the job. But if you are not from CSE background, you have to work on the proper skill set. So you should follow this 3 steps, right? So you will having the good platform. When you will attend the interview, you will get the more confident. Hey, I having this skill. Might be one interview, two interview, and three interview. Yeah, I can understand you will reject, but after that you will get more idea why company will hire to you, right? Because they having the work. If you will go in the software industry, be having the multiple profile. You should having the at least one profile knowledge. If you don't have a proper profile, then you will not get the job, because the now the industry is looking for trained people. So you have to follow the steps here. So first of all, you having the proper guidance. Again, where you will get the guidance? Okay, you will get the guidance from Engineers Tech Up channel. You can reach out to me. I have already having my contact number, and I'm very confident if you will follow me, you will get 100% job. Step 2, you having the proper skill set. Okay, some of the people having the very good in programming a skill, you can go in the development, right? So nowadays there's every profile having the programming a skill. You should work on the programming a skill. Otherwise, you cannot grow yourself. Okay, I know if you will go in the real time, we are not going to do a scratch level of development and coding. But whatever the code and whatever the project is there, you have to understand, right? Any profile, either you can select any profile: development, testing, DevOps, database, machine learning, data science. But if you are new in the software industry, you can go through testing, or you can go through DevOps. If you are very interested and spend your more time, and you have a time to do more and more practice, you can go for development. This all the profile is supporting multiple language. Either you can select Java and Python. Okay, Java and Python having the more demand in the industry. Okay, database again having the SQL and Hadoop, and also you can also select the database profile as well. Got it, right? So don't go for another the things having the less opportunity. Please go through the Java if you want to go in the development or testing, or Python programming language. Okay, so you can select anyone. And DevOps is also very good profile. You can also select the DevOps. Okay, if you have a proper knowledge for any these three, okay, profile, you will get 100% job. This is I'm very confident. Definitely many company, We are learning the subject, but we don't know how to implement this. So if you will join any classes, right? So first of all, you have to ask the syllabus, and you can also search on the Google what the syllabus it is, right? So you should not, again, you will not learn properly with real time project and all. Then again you have to struggle. You will spend your time, you will spend your money, right? It is, so where you are going to join the course, right? This is the very important. If you don't know, you can search on the Google. You can see the review of the student with the people who already done the course for that institute, right? So you have to investigate proper, because this 6 month time is very important for you. Still you having the any doubt, you can reach out to me, I will guide to you. Interview calls, your guidance, you are getting the good guidance, you having the proper skill, real time project with hands on. And again, your question is how to get the calls. If you are fresher, write the e-litmus or MCAT exam. Again, how to prepare for e-litmus or MCAT, you will get all the syllabus on the Google. Okay, just search on the e-litmus or MCAT syllabus and start to work on that. I'm sure if you will follow this all the steps. So this is the two website where you have to qualify your exam, then you will get the calls. You can also get the call from the Naukri.com. Definitely, some of the people are asking, will I get the call from the Naukri.com? Yes, you will get 100% call from the Naukri.com, but you having the proper profile on the Naukri. Yeah, I already made the video on the how to make the profile on the Naukri, how to get the job. Sorry, how to get the call from the Naukri. Please follow this video. You can go in my playlist. One playlist is there, Bangalore Job Seeker. You will get it. So and one, you have a one page group that is called BGS Facebook page. Many BGS Facebook group you will get. You can find the proper one. The okay, I will try to find the genuine BGS. I did not check from the last from long time, because I need to also check. So these are the resources you will get the calls, right? So follow this all the steps. Definitely you are in the, don't think about when you will get the job, think about how to develop my skill set, right? So this is the very important, guys. If you having the proper skill, it will take time, but you will get 100% job. Got it, right? We have to find the solution why we are not getting the job, why we are not getting the calls, right? If you don't know, you can ask the experienced people, the people already get the job from the Bangalore. I was also there in your same position, but I did not get the proper guidance, so I was little bit late to get the job over there. That's why I'm going to share the experience. Okay, so you should not struggle much. So this is the my agenda to making this video. When I'm getting the time, try to make some video on the Bangalore job seeker. And for thank you so much for watching this video, and hope it will helpful for you. I need your feedback, I need your questions, I need your what the problem you are facing. You can comment below, and please share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So what happen, when I will get the time, when I will upload any new video, you will get notification. Again, thank you so much. Keep doing your hard work. I believe on hard work, I believe on karma. Whatever you are doing, definitely you will get it. Okay, thank you so much.